minister also said the government will be looking into stripping Autostrade per Italia, a unit of the Atlantia Group, of the concession to manage the motorway that included the Morandi Bridge. The government will also seek to impose financial penalties on the group. At least 35 people were killed in Tuesday's collapse. Some 400 firefighters worked through the night to search for survivors. CGTN's Phil Lavelle has more details.
Like an apocalypse is how one witness described it. From the air, a huge section of the Morandi Bridge, 80 meters of it, simply gone, fallen to the ground and onto rail tracks below, along with as many as 35 cars and the people inside. It was during a sudden, violent storm that this highway overpass finally gave out. One witness claiming it was struck by lightning. This, the moment part of it came crashing down, collapsing onto buildings and a railway in an industrial area of Genoa in northern Italy. 45 meters high, the bridge served as a major transport route between Italy and France, likely even busier than normal as many headed away on the eve of an Italian public holiday.
Now is the moment of relief, intervention, work, sweat, and prayer. Tonight will have to be the time to find out who is responsible, the names and surnames of those who are guilty for these unacceptable deaths.
Officials say some trucks even ended up in the Polceva River. Reports claim the bridge had undergone restructuring just 2 years ago. The highway's operator quoted as claiming it was constantly monitored. Nevertheless, there will be questions amid the anger and the grief as Italy mourns and the scale of this tragedy becomes clear. Phil Lavelle, CGTN, Washington.